Ready, start. This appeal challenges the judgment and order dated 18th April 2012 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Delhi in writ petition civil number 8503 of 2010, thereby setting aside the judgment dated 7th July 2010 passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal, Principal Bench, New Delhi, hereinafter referred to as the Learned Cat in original application number 3663 of 2009. Stop para. The facts leading to the present appeal are thus: para, prior to the coming of force of the Central Pay Commission, there existed two distinct posts in the language cadre of the Research and Analysis Wing, Cabinet Secretariat, Government of India. The Group B post of Assistant Foreign Language Examiner within bracket hereinafter AFLE, and the Group A post of the Deputy Foreign Language Examiner within bracket DFLE. Stop. Pursuant to the recommendations of the 5th Central Pay Commission, in January 1999, the pay scale of AFLEs was revised retrospectively from 1st January 1996 to bring it at par with the DFLEs. Stop. Thereafter, in September 1999, the Cabinet Secretariat ordered for the post of AFLE to be reclassified as a Group A post. Stop. For both these cadres, the next level of promotion was to the post of Under Secretary Language. Stop para. In 2001, the Research and Analysis Wing within bracket Recruitment, Cadre and Service Rules 1975, hereinafter the recruitment rules were amended to equalize the required residency period for promotion to the post of Under Secretary within bracket Language to 5 years for both posts. Stop. Additionally, the quota for promotion from AFLE stream and DFLE stream was amended to make it 60-40 from the earlier quota of 50-50. Stop. The recruitment rules also provided for the diversion of seats from one quota to other on account of non-availability of eligible candidates for promotion from that quota. Stop para. The appellants herein joined the service as interpreters between April 1985 and September 1990 and were promoted as AFLEs between March 1995 and September 1998. Stop. The DFLEs, however, were first recruited only in the year 1999. Stop. In 2002, on account of vacancies that arose in the Under Secretary Language cadre due to the non-eligibility of DFLEs who had yet to complete the 5-year residency requirement, the Department of Personnel and Training, hereinafter the DOPT, on a proposal sent by the Cabinet Secretariat to divert the vacancies to the candidates from the AFLE quota, recommended for both the posts to be merged since they were identical in terms for the nature of their functions and duties, their salaries as well as their promotional avenues. Stop. This recommendation remained in cold storage until finally, wide notification dated 13th March 2008, the post of AFLE and DFLE were merged and redesignated as senior interpreter. Stop. However, a footnote was added therein to the effect that merger would be effected in a manner that would not have any adverse impact on the career prospects of the direct recruits, that is the DFLEs, who would continue to maintain their distinct identity till their promotion to the post of Under Secretary within bracket language. Stop. Para. In the meanwhile, comma, the vacancies that had arisen in the post of Under Secretary language were the subject matter of litigation before the learned cat. Stop. The learned cat, comma, wide order dated 26th May 2008 observed that the distinction between the AFLEs and DFLEs had been removed with effect from 1st January 1996.